Hi there, students. To dodder, an adjective, doddery, or also doddering, and the adjective Gaga, as in Lady Gaga. Okay, if somebody dodders, they shake and tremble like a very old person. You've seen very old people. They have problems often in controlling their coordination, and their hands or their body shakes and trembles while they do something. If you're Gaga, you're totally crazy. You're mad. You're not in possession of your mental faculties. So to dodder, maybe to move or walk in a very feeble way and very unsteadily, yeah? So you are tottering. To totter is linked to dodder. If something totters, it moves backwards and forwards because it's about to fall over. Whereas Gaga talks about irrational, demented, insane, off your rocker. Okay? So, to dodder, it's more linked with movement, with unstable, unsteady movement, most commonly because of extreme age. By extension, with dodder, you can use it to imply that somebody's mental faculties are unclear. They still have their mental faculties, but they don't work very well. If a person is Gaga, they are totally crazy. They have no mental control at all. Notice as well, you can use this word Gaga to mean very excited. So he's Gaga about this new film. But you can use crazy or mad. He's crazy about this new film. He's mad about this new film. Notice Gaga is extreme. It's at the extreme end, yeah? He's absolutely Gaga. You wouldn't use he's very Gaga, so it's an extreme adjective. So, to dodder, you can say that somebody who is not very old is doddering, yeah, but you're implying that their mental processes are getting old and slow and they're not in good control of what's happening. They're feeble. You're likening them to liken, making them out as an old person whose physical and mental abilities don't work anymore. But notice, to dodder is more aimed at control of your physical processes. Gaga is talking about your mental processes. So I think to dodder or doddery or doddering or even a dodderer, a person, this is more talking about Parkinson's disease. Whereas if somebody is Gaga, you are talking more about senility or Alzheimer's disease, where there is no control over the mind. Okay, let's look at the origin of these two. Dodder comes from German, and there's the word dodder in German, also totter. Okay, so to tremble, to shake, to not be stable. Gaga, however, comes from French. It comes from the word gâteau, a cake. And this actually comes from hospital slang in France, a gâteur, which was a person who used to wet the bed, somebody who peed in their bed. So that's the origin. They're different from different roots. Now the next question is formality. Okay, to dodder, I think, is neutral formality. Yeah, it sounds fine in an informal conversation. In a very formal setting, I'm not sure it's such a good word, but something medium formal you could definitely use to dodder. Gaga, on the other hand, is informal. Yeah, this is something for an informal conversation. This is not something I would use in a formal writing. Yeah, this is much more a spoken word than a written phrase. So more formally, mad, crazy, senile, something like that. Okay, senile is much more formal. Yeah, senile would work very well in a formal setting. So to dodder, doddery, shaking and trembling like an old person, not in good control of their body, and by extension maybe of their mind as well. Gaga, senile, mad, crazy, yeah, without control of their mind at all. Okay, so maybe Lady Gaga is Gaga. She's crazy. And that's the idea. So there you go, 2 more words. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To dodder, doddery, doddering, a dodderer, and Gaga. How's your grandfather? I'm afraid he's Gaga.